Hello, welcome back to my channel, Brian Manage. In this video, we learn about quadratic inequalities. This is the most important topic when you want to learn about the quadratic equation and for the higher school. This is the most difficult topic when you learn the mathematics in high school. In this video, we will learn 4 steps for solving quadratic inequalities step by step. Okay, you have the example x squared plus x minus 2 greater than 0 in here, and how can you solve? The first step of inequality quadratic equation, you need to solve quadratic equation. What does that mean? You put the inequality here become to equation like this. Very easy. Change the greater than sign become to equal 0. And then you want to solve this quadratic equation, and after a long some step by factorizing by using quadratic formula or completing the square or maybe using your calculator, you will have the solution of this quadratic equation x equal to 1 and x equal to negative 2. That is the first step. The step 2, you will using number line. Draw a number line in the step second and step 2, and then you identify the two solutions in step 1 into the number line. This is the number line of x. So the number will increasing from left to right. You got the smaller number is negative 2. So negative 2 will lie on the left and 1 will lie on the right, like this. Okay, so step 3, you will be determine which part, divide part. What does it mean divide parts? You can see that the negative 2 and 1 will divide number line into the 3 parts. Look at this. You got the first part in this one, the second part in here, middle of negative 2 and 1, and the last one in here, the right hand side of 1. Okay, so I will decreasing this. Yep. And then you will divide this one by into the 3 parts, and you will identify which is the number of a. The number of a will tell you the size of that 3 parts, because you have here a equal to 1x squared. So a equal to 1 will be greater than 1 or greater than 0. So the right hand side part in here will have the same sign of a. You got here is positive sign. The middle will be change sign, negative. That have to be different to the first step, the first part, and the last one will be different with the middle. And the sign positive, negative, and positive in this position will span for all quadratic expression. That's why you can determine that which one will make x squared plus x negative 2 positive or negative. Because the question tells you about you have to take all value of x for greater than 0. So I just care about the positive side. The positive side we have a 2 part. The positive side we have 2 parts in here. The first part and the second one. So I don't need to care about the middle part, because the middle part have the negative side. So that's the step 4, you make conclusion. The conclusion will tell you the exactly value satisfy the quadratic inequality, because the quadratic here just care about greater than 0. So I care about the positive side. The positive side in this one, in this part, is right hand side of negative 2. Sorry, left hand side of negative 2. That's why you got the own value of x in this interval is x less than negative 2. And the right hand side of 1 here, right hand side of 1 will tell you x have to be greater than 1. This is the solution for this quadratic equation. Of course, this is not easy, so just take a second example. The second example you got here, x squared plus 4x minus 5 less than 0. So the first step, I want to solve the quadratic equation first. I will put this inequality become to quadratic equation like this, and after some step I will solve. This one will be equal to two value of x. X first is 1 and the second x is negative 5. The next step, I will use a number line. The number line will tell me the order of true solution in the first one, in the first step. And the number line you got here is negative 5 and 1 in this position. Because 1 greater than negative 5, so I will put 1 in left hand and right hand side and negative 5 in left hand side. The two solution here will divide the number line into the three parts. The first one in this one, the second one in the middle, and the last one in the right hand side. So I will divide by three parts, and then I will determine which part with the sign positive or negative, because I just care about the value of a. In this case, you got a equal to 1, I mean greater than 0. So the right hand side part in here is had to be the positive. Just care about the positive or negative. Positive first, and the middle will be change sign. From positive become to negative, and from the negative become to positive. After this step, I make conclusion. The conclusion will tell you the exactly interval of x for satisfy quadratic inequality. Because the quadratic inequality in this example care about less than 0, I mean negative. So that's what to the middle side, because the middle side you got the negative side. And in this one, I will you can see that this part will be right hand side of negative 5, but left hand side of 1. So that's why you got negative less than h less than 1 will be our own value of x, or this is a solution for this quadratic inequality. Okay, after this video, I hope you can understand more about the quadratic inequality, and of course we have a lot of video about quadratic inequality. So don't forget subscribe my channel and turn on your notification when I send you a new video. Thank you so much, and see you in next